Talking on the phone in English can be stressful if you don't know the right words. Today we fix that. On the phone you can't see the person. Does that make English harder for you?
Honestly, that's where a lot of learners freeze.
So today we give you the exact phrases native speakers actually use.
Let's do it.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today's topic, phone calls in English. You'll learn 10 practical phrases you can use immediately, each with a real example. These are the words and expressions you'll actually hear and need in this situation.
Knowing them means you'll understand what's said to you and respond with confidence.
1. Hello, this is. How to identify yourself.
Hello, this is Anna from the sales team.
2. Could I speak to? Ask for the person you want.
Could I speak to Mr. Lee, please?
3. Who's calling, please? How to ask who is on the line.
Who's calling, please? I'll put you through.
4. Hold on one moment. Ask them to wait.
Hold on a moment. I'll check for you.
5. I'll put you through. Transferring the call.
I'll put you through to the right department.
Quick review so far. Hello, this is. Could I speak to? Who's calling, please? Hold on one moment, and I'll put you through. 5 more coming up. 6. Can I take a message? When the person isn't available.
He's out right now. Can I take a message?
7. Could you speak up? When you can't hear well.
Sorry, could you speak up a little?
8. You're breaking up. When the connection is bad.
I think you're breaking up. I'll call you back.
9. Let me call you back. Ending to return the call later.
Let me call you back in 5 minutes.
10. Thanks for calling. A polite way to end.
Thanks for calling. Have a great day.
Let's practice with a short role play. I'll play one side. You respond.
Ready.
Hello, this is the front desk. Who's calling, please?
Hello, this is David. Could I speak to the manager?
One moment, I'll put you through. Sorry, he's out. Can I take a message?
Yes, please tell him David called.
Sorry, you're breaking up a little.
No problem. Let me call you back in 5 minutes.
See how natural it sounds when you have the right phrases ready? Today's 10 phrases for phone calls in English. Hello, this is. Could I speak to? Who's calling, please? Hold on one moment, I'll put you through. Can I take a message? Could you speak up? You're breaking up. Let me call you back. Thanks for calling. Practice these before you're in the situation, so they come out automatically.
Confidence comes from preparation, and now you're prepared.
Which of these will you use first? Tell us in the comments, in English.
And if this was useful, subscribe for practical English every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you in the next episode.